Hello, amazing people. Welcome to my YouTube channel for this week. This week is another week, and it will be an amazing week for us because there are amazing opportunity in the forex market, which I will be sharing with you guys, and you guys will be making a lot of money for this week. And one more thing, we've created a Telegram channel where we'll be dropping, trade entries from Monday to Friday for you guys. So every single analysis I make, which I post on here. So during the week on Monday to Friday, trade entries on each pair will be posted on the Telegram channel. So to benefit from this, kindly join the Telegram channel just to see an update on each entry that we drop for you guys. And this week I will be analyzing 5 different pair for you guys, which are Gold Spot USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, Great Britain Pounds USD, and USD CHF. These are 5 solid pairs that I will be analyzing for you guys this week, and trust me, they are amazing opportunity for you guys, and I believe you guys make decent amount of money for yourself last week, because I believe every single analysis that I did last week actually played out as expected. So this week is another week, and it's a new week for you guys, so stay tuned to the end of this video just to benefit from this week analysis as well. So I will up into the what's it called, the first pair which I want to analyze, which is Gold Spot USD. So on Gold Spot USD, I'm currently on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame we can see the basic market structure playing out, which is what the higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher high, and we are currently at this level right about now. Okay, I need to quickly delete all this horizontal line here. So I will scale down to the 4 hours time frame just to show you an amazing entry for this week. Okay, let me scale down to the 4 hours time frame, and we can see on the 4 hour time frame this low right about here has held the price decently, which the price uses at a support level to form a double bottom pattern right about here. And now price is heading to create the right shoulder. This is the left shoulder. Price is moving to create the right shoulder. So let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame just to show us possible entry for Gold Spot USD. Okay, so before I show you this entry, I need to quickly show you some minor level right about here, which price tends to respect previously, and price might tend to do the same for us. You see this level right about here, you see this level right about here, this minor level right about here, this minor level right about here, price tends to expect it, give us higher low right about here, and there might be something similar like that might happen somewhere around there, just to get a decent higher low from price. Let me scale down to the 30 minutes so you can see what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, you see, prices create series of higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And when you want to take entries for a bullish market, it is better you wait for an higher low to be created, okay, so you can buy at a cheap price. So currently this is the higher high right about, okay, so let's patiently wait for price to give us an higher low, okay, so we can buy at a cheap price. Okay, so that is just the simple logic behind waiting for what's it called, another higher low to be created somewhere around there. So that is the simple logic behind it. And I need to show you another thing. Look at this basic structure created here, this candlestick formation, so we need to wait for another continuation candlestick formation at the higher low somewhere around there, just go long there. So I will definitely share a decent entry for you guys on the Telegram channel. Just check the what's it called check the description box below, and you'll find the Telegram channel there. So I will share the basic entry here on the Telegram channel for you guys. So I'll move on to the next pair, which is AUD USD. I'm on the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame I need to quickly show you this trend line. You see, this trend line has been holding since 2021. Price retested it and expected it, and recently price came back to retest the trend line, and price definitely reacted to it decently. And as you can see, price is currently on a bearish move. Let me scale down to the daily time frame. So you see on the daily time frame, price has taken out this higher low right about here. See this higher low right about here. Price has taken it out. So it's this signals a strong bearish move. So every entry we want to be looking at now should be what? A bearish entry. Okay. Hold on guys. My mouse is acting up. Okay. Okay. So I need to quickly show you this minor level right about here. You see this minor level right about here. This basic minor level right about here. Price tends to respect it several times, you see. Price respected it several times at this level. Price tends to respect it here as well. So that signals that that minor level is a very strong minor level. Okay. So let me proceed to, and there is another level right about here which I need to show you as well. See this level as well. This level as well. See this level. See this level right about here. See, price has tend to respect that level several times, and that signals that this level are very important level. Okay, so let me zoom proceed towards it called the current price level. So let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame. I'm on the 1 hour time frame, and currently price is at this level right about here. Price is at this level right about here. Okay, so we need to approach entry from this level. You see this support level. This support level is a very strong support level, and price has respected it 3 times before price could pierce through it. So we should probably be expecting a pullback to respect this horizontal line, this support level, before we can go long. So I believe that is the basic thing we should be looking for. We should patiently wait for price to pull back. I won't advise we take any trade at this level right about here. No, don't take any trade. Just patiently wait for price to pull back. Okay, to pull back. Just patiently wait for price to pull back to this level. Okay, so after price pulled back, just find a continuation candlestick formation somewhere around there. So to go to continue the short position. So we will definitely post an entry once we see an amazing decent entry on this particular pair on our Telegram channel as well. So I will move on to the next pair, which is USD card. So for USD card, as you can see on USD card, we price as is currently at what's it called this high right about here, and it has completed what's it called the right leg right about here. And if you followed my analysis on here, you will definitely benefit from this move somewhere around there, because we caught the entry somewhere around here, and we actually anticipate three level of take profit. That is the first one, this is the second one, and the third one is somewhere right about there. And price has done exactly what we expect price to do. And don't forget, price has been in a bullish, in a strong bullish trend for what's it called, about 3 weeks now. This is the third week. Okay, so now we are heading for the fourth week. Okay, so the fourth week now, price might tend to rest around this place. Price might tend to rest. Okay, price might tend to rest, so we need to be careful about taking entries somewhere around there. Let me scale down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, okay, as I explained earlier, we need to be careful of taking trade somewhere around there. Okay, because price might tend to go into what a range. Price might tend to go into a range. So, but no matter what price wants to do, it will definitely give us a story. The price will definitely tell us a story what it wants to do next. While price is at it, we will definitely give you an update on our Telegram channel during the week. It is more easier for us to to update you on our Telegram channel compared to this to our YouTube channel. So I will proceed to the next pair, which is Great Britain pounds USD. For Great Britain pounds USD, we are currently at this level right about here. And before I proceed with my explanation, I need to basically show you this trend line that has been holding since 2022. So price came back to it to respect it. Price came back to respect it again, and price is currently at this trend line. Let me zoom in so I can show you what I'm trying to explain, because I might tend to delete this trend line. You see, price is currently at this trend line. Okay, so price might tend to want to break through it or bounce off. So let me scale down to the what's it called, the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I will need to delete this trend line. Okay, you see, a moment please. And as we all know that the basic market structure, which we know, this series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, is simply a guide for us to know if the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. But once price tends to take out the higher low, it signals to us that price wants to go bearish towards a downtrend. And currently, price has done exactly that. Price has taken out this higher low right about here. You see, price has taken out the higher low right about here. Okay, and price has retested it. So this signals that we are currently in what, a bearish trend. So let me zoom in to show us the bearish structure that's playing out, the lower low lower high structure. Okay, the lower low lower high structure. This is the lower low lower high, lower low lower high. So this is a lower high right about here. We are currently at this level right about here, which is the lower high. And as we can see, this is the current strong lower high right about here. This is strong lower high, and this is a strong, what is it called, lower low. Okay, the reasons why this one is called this high is called strong lower high is because price is here to break out of it. Once price breaks out of it, it becomes a weak high. Okay, it becomes what, a weak high. So as long price still stay within this zone right about here, okay, this is a strong lower high right about here. So the next thing we want to patiently do is we need to wait for price. Okay, we need to wait for price to to clear this low right about here. I need to scale down to the 1 hour time frame just to explain this better for you guys. You see, so we need to wait for price to clear this low. See, this low has been respected several times, so we need to wait for price to clear this low for us, a decent retest on this, so we can take our short entry here. Okay, we can take our short entry somewhere around here. Okay, you can take our short entry somewhere around there. But this is the reason why I said we should patiently wait for this level. If Because what I'm looking at here is looks like an inverse head and shoulder somewhere around there. Okay, looks like an inverse head and shoulder, something like this might happen. Note that word might happen, so it's not certain. And price might tend to do something like this for us, maybe an head and shoulder pattern, pull back a little bit, continue downward. But let's wait for price. Our decisive zone will be this level right about here and this level right about here. So let's wait for price to decide. If price breaks below this level, we'll be waiting for a retest to go short. But if price tends to break out, we'll be waiting for a retest to go long. That's that for Great Britain pounds USD. And now moving on to the next pair, which is USD CHF. For USD CHF, I'm on the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, I need to quickly show you this trend line. You see, this trend line has been holding since 2022. Price came to expect it this year as well, and we are currently at this level right about here. If you followed my analysis on this channel, I systematically break down every level and every move on this particular pair right before it creates this third bottom right about here. Okay, so currently we are at this level, and for this move our overall level is somewhere around here. Okay, our overall level is somewhere around here. These are minor levels that are used, and these are key. This is a key level, this is a minor level right about here, this is a minor level right about here. Okay, so currently we are looking at this level price to come to this level, and we can see the moving average is currently pointing upside, indicating to us that we are on a strong bullish trend. I will scale down to the 4-hour time frame just to show us some basic thing that's currently happening. On our bullish trend, we know our basic market structure is simply a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher. And we are currently at this level. And what price is currently showing us, we can see a lot of choppy, busy candlestick. Hold on. This looks like a curve pattern. Yep. A moment please guys, let me get it to somewhere around there. Okay, 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 I think this is making sense now. Okay, this looks like a curve pattern. Okay, this looks like a curve pattern. Let me scale down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I think it makes a lot of sense now. It makes more sense now. This is a curve pattern, and we know basically the curve pattern, is something like this. Creates an handle before we go long. So the only thing we'll be waiting for price to do is, you see this level right about here. We need to wait for price to clear it out. Okay, once the price clear it out, we'll be waiting for a pullback, probably a retest somewhere around the pullback. Okay, to go long. Okay, we'll be waiting for a pullback to go long as an handle for this, for this curve. This is basically the pattern that does, playing out. So we'll be waiting for something like this. We will definitely wait for something like this, okay, to play out, so we can use this as, a point for us to, to go long. And that is that for what's it called, USDCHF. And for this particular pair, I will definitely share an entry for you guys on our Telegram channel as for you guys during the week, because it is easy for us, to update you guys on our Telegram channel. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and I wish you guys a profitable week ahead of you guys, and I will see you guys next week. So bye for now guys.